So in this video, I know it's a little dark. I'm going to be burping my radiator. Now, these instructions will work. It's 86, I believe. A lot of people don't know these instructions, and sometimes I get lazy, forget to do this burping procedure on a 5.0, and cause you some problems. So the first things first is I did replace the radiator. A brand new radiator was leaking already, so I had to go get another one. You'll need a T50 torque wrench. You also need, to do it right, you really need one of these radiator filling. I don't know what to really call it, but what it does is it allows you to put radiator fluid higher than forces pressure back into the radiator hoses. So this allows you to fill it up and keep that pressure, and at the same token, without doing this, so you have to park your car on a hill or something like that. But to start, you'll put 1 gallon of antifreeze into the radiator. That's all you're going to do to start. Take the T50 and you're going to do the bolt. So you're going to do this. And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to take it out. So you're going to take it out, put some more coolant back in the radiator. And basically, I'm going to do that until I see fluid about ready to come out. So add some more here. Nothing in there yet. And you can see it's starting to bubble over. I put too much, so that wasn't cool. What it did is all the bubbles came out, and here I was just throwing it in here and wasting coolant. Now it's all over the engine. And then once you see it come out there a little bit, hopefully you'll do it better than me, and you'll catch it before it starts to overflow too much. But if you saw that, it bubbles up and it gets all the bubbles out of the engine. If you don't do this, you will have problems. And it'll end up leaving a bubble in the engine. Started the car, and I turned on the air conditioner not to try to get the engine to warm up sooner. So at this point, you saw that I bled through that, or I cracked that. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill this up to about here so that there's more coolant in the system. I'm going to squeeze the hoses to get the air out. And for those who have watched my other videos, you can hear the engine is purring like it should be. It's starting to rise, which is a good thing. Oh, it's starting to go. See, it's starting to go back down. So all the bubbles are out now. Add more coolant. As you saw, the coolant came up to get the bubble out once the bubble cleared, and then it dropped back down again. I actually turn the engine off. Some people will cap it while it's running. I don't do that. And then I'm gonna let it sit here for a minute and cool down. And then, but I'm not gonna drop the pressure on it. And then after that, I'll go ahead and cap it and I'll be done. But as you can see, there was a huge bubble in the system that brought this thing up to this high. That's why you only want to fill that thing to about there. And then once that bubble's cleared, the car was starting to run hot. And as soon as it got the bubbles out of the system, the temperature immediately dropped. So keep that in mind, but it's important that you do the screw to get the bubble out before you do this. A lot of people say, and I thought the same thing for years, that if you just did this process, you wouldn't have to worry about removing that screw there, but that's not the case. So just be too many bubbles in the system. With that, that's how you do a 86 through a 95.50 radiator burp.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.